How to train your dog to stop chewing on curtains. Having a dog is a joyful experience for many people. They bring love, companionship, and endless entertainment. However, dogs can also have some less desirable behaviors, such as chewing on furniture, toys, or even household items like curtains. Chewing is a natural behavior for dogs. They use it as a way to explore their environment, relieve boredom or anxiety, and even teething in young puppies. Curtains are often an appealing target for dogs due to their texture and proximity to the ground. It can be frustrating to come home to find your favorite curtains ripped to shreds. Luckily, there are several effective methods to teach your dog to stop chewing on curtains. Let's explore them below. 1. Provide appropriate chewing alternatives. One of the best ways to redirect your dog's chewing behavior is to provide them with appropriate alternatives. Offer a variety of chew toys that are both durable and enticing to your dog. Ensure that these toys are different from the texture and material of your curtains. When you catch your dog chewing on the curtains, immediately redirect their attention to a chew toy and praise them for chewing on the appropriate item. 2. Supervise your dog. Until your dog has learned not to chew on the curtains, it is essential to supervise them when they have access to them. Keep an eye on your dog and be ready to intervene if they attempt to chew the curtains. If you can't actively supervise your dog, confine them to a dog-proof area or use baby gates to restrict access to rooms with curtains. 3. Use a taste deterrent. Dogs have a keen sense of taste, and using a taste deterrent can help deter them from chewing on curtains. Apply a non-toxic taste deterrent spray specifically designed for dogs onto the curtains. The bitter taste will discourage them from approaching or chewing the curtains. Reapply the spray as directed on the product label. For keep your dog active, boredom and excess energy are often the root causes of destructive chewing. Make sure your dog gets enough physical and mental exercise to keep them engaged and tired. Go for regular walks, play interactive games, and provide puzzle toys or treat dispensing toys to keep their minds occupied. A tired dog is less likely to engage in destructive behaviors. 5. Positive reinforcement training. Training your dog to not chew on curtains requires consistent positive reinforcement. Whenever you catch your dog leaving the curtains alone, immediately praise and reward them with treats or verbal affirmation. This positive reinforcement will help them associate not chewing on curtains with positive experiences. 6. Correcting the behavior. If your dog continues to chew on the curtains despite your efforts, you may need to correct their behavior. When you catch them in the act, use a firm and clear no command. However, avoid using physical punishment or yelling, as it can worsen the situation and damage the bond between you and your dog. 7. Seek professional help. If your dog's chewing behavior persists despite your best efforts, consider seeking help from a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can assess the underlying causes of the behavior and provide you with tailored strategies to address it effectively. In conclusion, teaching your dog to stop chewing on curtains requires patience, consistency, and the use of appropriate training methods. By providing alternative chewing options, supervising your dog, using taste deterrents, keeping them physically and mentally stimulated, and using positive reinforcement, you can effectively prevent them from damaging your curtains. Remember, it takes time for your dog to learn new behaviors, so be patient and persistent in your training efforts.